Well, despite that just announced 125% tariff on all goods from China and Beijing's planned reciprocal 84% tax on U.S. imports set to go into effect tomorrow, stocks, as you can see, are surging. NewsNation's Alicia Nieves is live for us on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Alicia, how did the traders react when this latest news broke?
You heard scrambling on the floor, and we had to look around and see what was going on. And they were getting the news just seconds before we got the news of that 90-day pause for most countries when it comes to tariffs. And you saw trade volume just dramatically jump up to the point now where you've got the Nasdaq up around 10%. I can't remember the last time I saw the Nasdaq that high, certainly not in recent history, and certainly not in the last week. You got the S&P 500, that is up about 7.5% or just above that threshold. The Dow now above about 2,500 points. This is potentially a historic day for the Dow, and we saw just on Monday the Dow swinging to its lowest point, or $2,500 point swing. Now we're looking at a much larger swing. Overall, this is the biggest rally we have seen for financial markets, for the stock market, in about 5 years. We're already erasing the losses that we saw yesterday, erasing the losses that we saw Monday, and now we're eating into those major losses that we saw on Thursday and Friday. This is great news for a lot of people who are looking at their 401k, or who have been looking at their 401k and just been really concerned. That is the #1 conversation that I have heard on the streets, with family, with friends, and so now it's a better time to look at that 401k, given that this is the pause. The markets wanted this. They wanted to see some reversal of this pause and of these tariffs. And now Trump giving them that. There is that still lingering concern with China. That is one of our biggest trade partners. But relative to the rest of the world, this is fantastic news. The market's starting to price out some of the fear that it priced in, starting to price out some recession concerns, although that still does linger. We're not out of the woods there yet, because China is a big factor. But this is what the market was looking for, and the market got. It was wild here on the floor for about a minute or two while that trade volume happened. It's cooled down a little bit, but people are jollier, to say the least, right now here at the New York Stock Exchange.
I would imagine so. All right, Alicia Nieves live for us there in New York City. Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find News Nation on your screen. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.